Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting case study to share with you. We'll be focusing on a specific procedure involving 3,000 grafts. So let's get started. Meet Yann, a 41-year-old gentleman who has been dealing with hair loss for several years. Like many others, Yann's receding hairline and thinning crown were causing him distress and affecting his confidence. After exploring various options, he decided to undergo a hair transplant procedure to restore his hairline and achieve a fuller head of hair. Yann's hair loss was classified as stage 5A on the Norwood scale, which represents a more advanced male pattern hair loss. There is usually a large bald spot at the frontal part with only a narrow band of hair separating this area from the crown. Yann underwent an FUE procedure with 3,000 grafts. The number of grafts required for a successful hair transplant varies from person to person and depends on many factors like the extent of hair loss and the desired outcome too. In Yann's case, the medical team recommended 3,000 grafts to achieve a natural looking result and an adequate coverage for his specific hair loss pattern. The surgical process took several hours. The medical team meticulously placed each graft into tiny incisions made in the recipient area, ensuring that the new hair will grow in the desired direction and pattern. After the procedure, Yann followed a detailed post-operative care plan provided by the clinic. This included instructions on how to clean and protect the grafts, medications to prevent infection and promote healing, and guidelines for avoiding strenuous activities that could potentially harm the newly transplanted hair. Over the next few weeks and months, Yann noticed significant changes. The transplanted hair started to grow, gradually blending with his existing hair, resulting in a fuller and more youthful appearance. And there you have it, an incredible transformation achieved through a 3,000 graft hair transplant procedure. Hair transplantation can be an excellent option for those struggling with hair loss, helping them to regain self-confidence and enhance their overall appearance. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. As always, if you have any questions or would like to share your own experiences, please leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.